guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some slimes that I made up earlier today. Now let's just get right into it. Before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below any video ideas you have for us. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be adding is some white PVA glue. Next, we're going to be adding some lotion. This step is completely optional, but I find that it makes the slime a little bit stretchier. Also, this one has a nice vanilla scent, so it makes it smell real nice. Next, I'm adding some shave cream. I find this makes the slime a little bit fluffier. Also gives it a little bit of a thicker texture. The next step is to mix it all together. Next, I'm going to be adding this purple food dye to kind of like resemble some berries, because as you know, the name of the slime is called Fruity Frosty. So imagine like a mixed berry smoothie, that kind of thing. Next, I'm going to add an assortment of glitter, starting with this kind of fine pink glitter. So this is also going to resemble like the mixed berry. Now I'm adding this like navy blue glitter. I definitely accidentally put way too much, but you know, there's no such thing as too much glitter. Now this purple glitter glue, because I didn't have the right kind of purple glitter, so I'm just using this purple glitter glue. Now I'm adding this pink glitter glue, also the same thing. I know I added a pink glitter earlier, but this one's like, I don't know, this one I feel like is a lighter, I feel like it kind of had like a yellower tint. I can't really explain it very well, but yeah. Next, I'm adding this purple color shifting. It color shifts to orange. It's so freaking satisfying, you guys, that when I add this, I literally had to replay it 3 times. I know, and you're welcome. Now we're going to start mixing. Oh my gosh, it was so satisfying. These glitters are so pretty together. I loved it so much. Right now, you'll see me add some more purple food dye because I felt that it wasn't the deep enough purple that I wanted it to be. So right now, it's time to add the activator. I'm using Tide, the free and gentle kind, but pretty much any liquid starch would work as well, but this is a no-borax recipe. So you want to add the activator in little increments so that you don't overactivate the slime. So the kneading process is probably the most messy process in slime making. I started kneading way too early because, as you can see, the slime's a little bit too sticky. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm cringing at me, so let's just fast forward to when I'm done. So as you can see, we left the slime a little bit sticky because we're going to be adding some stuff in. This slime is so thick, you guys. I can't even describe it anymore. So here's a combination that I made myself. It has some iridescent snowflakes. We have some snow flurries, white, pink, and blue foam beads. This is such a pretty combination, you guys. And yeah, this is going to give it kind of that frosty texture, I guess. The next step is just to add the slime into the mixture. Also, something weird that I noticed is those iridescent snowflakes actually have some kind of yellow tint sometimes. So that was super weird. And there you have it, my version of Fruity Frosty slime. The next slime is called Unicorn Frappuccino. Okay, so for the next slime, we're going to be again using that white PVA glue. Next, I'm adding this cocoa butter lotion that I actually got from the dollar store. Next, I'm adding some cornstarch, which is actually what you add to make it a cream cheese slime. And mix it all up. As you can tell, this is actually kind of a hard process to mix. Next, I'm adding a little bit of that purple food dye to give the unicorn frappuccino kind of that pastel purple color. So now we're going to be adding an assortment of glitter to resemble the sprinkles on top of the frappuccino. So we have this purple and then a different one. We have 2 different shades of purples. We also have a neon pink and a neon blue. The blue is kind of like a blue to green shift, but I can't really explain the others. And now we're going to mix it up. Now I'm just going to add the Tide, which is our activator, and remember to add it in little increments so you don't overactivate the slime. Always, I needed way too early, but yeah. So the next step after this is just to add some colorful foam beads. I chose white, blue, and pink. This is kind of also to resemble the unicorn frappuccino sprinkles on top of the frappuccino. So I didn't have any purple foam beads, but if you have those, feel free to add those as well. So now it's time to knead this in. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was really satisfying. So I had to mute the rest of it because my bowl kept like moving and it was really loud and annoying, so I'm really sorry about that. So I was trying to do a satisfying ASMR for you guys, but in the background my mom had to noisily put the Christmas dishes away, so I'm really sorry about that. Always remember to store your slime in an airtight container so it won't dry out. Bye guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. We'd really appreciate it. Also, if you have any video ideas, comment down below and we'll read. Bye!